Okay, here's a quick instruction on how to send an email using rasa.ca. First, go to rasa.ca, ensure you're on the Home button, click Sign In. Mine is pre-populated, so I'm going to click Sign In. Takes me to the administrative view. Often this section is all gray. You click Team Administration to reveal this menu. Scroll down to Email Center. From here, you want to select Email Message. It's the fastest way to get a message going. These boxes show the groups to which you might want to send an email. These are principally used by coaches. So selecting National Carly will send an email to all her swimmers. Hit Clear All if you change your mind. Here's select the entire club to send an email. It's not what I want to do in this example. I'll just send it to myself. Scroll down. Here you can add attachments if you have attachments to add. It's a simple system of adding attachments as you might find in any other email client. So I've selected, I've added, that's done. Next up is to set the subject. When I edit the messages, I do it in Word, just because it's simpler. And I can pre-read everything, I can edit and get the message exactly the way I want it before I actually commit to doing it. This system isn't bad, but it's a little harder to edit. So I've pasted my subject line in. I'm not going to use CC or BCC. The next section here is the body of the text. There's nonsense in here, so I'm going to delete all of that. Next, I'll select everything I've written that I want to send, copy, and paste. This dialog says, do you really want to paste? And yes, I really do. So now I'm going to go back up to the top, and I'm going to add a graphic. It's fun to add the killer guppy, and it's easy to do. So here, in the picture button, you go up to Browse Server, where we have all of our logos and many of our images stored. We'll use the killer guppy. A good size for an email is a width of 150 pixels. Make sure that this lock is closed. That controls the proportion. So it means that the height changes automatically with the width. If it's not locked, you can end up with a stretched or squished logo. Alright, I want these centered, so I've selected, and I will click Center. The last thing I'm going to do with this is just format the headline. Throughout the website, these headlines underneath the killer guppy are in a light blue, so that's top of this column, blue. The size is about 22 points, so it's nice and big, and it's in bold, which carried across from the Word copy. So my message looks the way I want it to. It's pretty close to the Word version, not quite as tight, but it's close enough. And so it saved me quite a bit of time doing it this way. I'll take a last look at it, make sure I haven't accidentally selected the entire club to receive this. No, I'm just saying it to Karen. Back to the bottom, email now. Do you really want to email? Yes, I really want to email. And it's gone. So I hope that helps. Pretty simple steps. Log in, go to Team Admin, Email Center, email message, select who you're sending it to, paste your message in, email now, and confirm. That's it.